Happy birthday, Ate Mer. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na to.
Thank you so much, Miss Kyla Badua. Picture muna kayo ni Ate Birds sa stage. Thank you. Next to Miss Kyla Badua, we have Miss Amites Pinoyor.
Kung ninyong sigo po.
Come here, Amites!